What is up, guys? Y'all already know who it is. This is your boy SOB Rule. We are back. So I just went and took a little trip to AutoZone for my car. Had to get some antifreeze because we did just swap the motor over. I did miss that because the camera died, you guys. I was able to charge the camera fast enough though to get the rest of the footage, but we ain't got the antifreeze. New AC Pro, some power steering fluid. We got some brake fluid for the clutch. We got some transmission gear oil, and we also have, what's this? No, that's power steering, brake fluid. What I said? Brake fluid, the clutch, and then also the transmission, right? Yeah. All right. So for the most part, I think we have everything. We just got over here to the mechanic shop or garage or whatever you may want to call it, but we just got over here and we about to get right. About to finish up. Good? Yeah. All right, so we already got the motor in. We got some of the fluids in. Right now, we are trying to bleed the clutch. It's working out for us right now. Don't laugh at my leg. I know it looks funny. But we trying to get it done. Gotta work out the bad leg. Gotta get the boot. Get the boot. Gotta get the boot. Gotta work it out. Get those muscles working.
That pull up, is that what you're waiting on for?
Yep.
Oh man.
And you also gotta get my boy underneath. It's the man with the plan under there.
Brandon.
Yes.
Look to your side.
Hello. Serrano Motives on Instagram. Make sure y'all get with my guy. He do it all.
It's definitely on camera.
I was gonna say, man.
It is though. She really on camera. I'm cracking up.
Got like 5 followers.
Oh.
Well,
I'm not really sure how exactly the clutch is supposed to feel. So I mean, I definitely need my man to come up here and fill the clutch.
Hey, you need him to come fill the clutch?
Second, third, fourth, fifth.
Cause they probably trying to fill up the baby pool.
Reverse.
Oh, no reverse, Papa.
No,
I can't even go side to side.
Put it in neutral, put it in first, and then put it in reverse.
Why can't it go side to side? I'm
You probably
struggling.
gotta get gear shift. Go forward. No, it's not in neutral. Nope, back. Right, nope, up. Nope.
Huh?
Go up, bro.
He wants you to put it in neutral, then him.
Right there, that's neutral.
Oh. Okay. All right. See, I'm not used to it because it don't look normal.
I'm looking at you right down here, boy.
Pause.
Oh, look. We can see him. He said, hey, YouTube. All right, so we're in neutral.
Yep.
All right, clutch in. First, second, back to neutral. Third, down to fourth, back to neutral. Up to fifth. Down to sixth. Back to neutral. Reverse. Ew. We good. I think the clutch is working, buddy.
Alright, my friend.
Oh shit, it's filled to the top, bro.
Man.
Don't do that, cause y'all told me to fill it up.
Well, I mean, how we
It's
gonna do that? We
fine,
gonna
it's,
cipher it
you
out? Oh.
Hey yo, he put his finger.
Well, that's how he just got it out. He just threw his finger in there and was like, all right. So is that the brakes master cylinder right there?
Yeah.
Oh wow. My boy took his time and he got the motor and the trans all back in. The clutch is working good on there. See, we got some new little parts on there. We got the little crossbar. We got the little engine cover. We got the no coolant in the reservoir.
Yeah, I know. I had to still top everything off when you turn it on.
It's empty. We got the fresh power steering fluid, power steering line on there. Everything nice and tight, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, and remember, who are you?
Serrano Motives.
Good job. He was on point. Right now, he was on point. I'm surprised. Sometimes he don't really listen to me. Y'all have to see him on a daily basis.
You know what I mean?
There it is. Promotion. You know what I mean? That's his words. Hashtag. You know what I mean? Whenever you add Serrano Motors, you know what I mean? That's his thing. Like, that's his thing. You know, what I mean?
AC goes there. You know what I mean?
I don't know. It's just something that he'd be saying. It'd be funny as hell.
I won't even explain now. I'll just be like, you know what I mean?
What's this bolt?
That's for the brake line. I mean the e-brake cable. That's the.
Oh yeah. So remind you guys, I told you guys the camera had died, so I wasn't able to catch everything that was going on. And plus, he was working a little bit faster than I was expected. So by the time I got back over to him, he was halfway done everything he had to do. About to get that AC running. Hold on, wait. How you gonna do that with the car off? We gotta see if the car start.
No, come on. Let's get it. You got gas in there. You got everything in there.
Oh yeah, it's full tank in there, baby. All right, so this is going to be the first time trying to start the car. She lucky I ain't catch her doing that. But like I said, this is going to be our first time trying to start the car after swapping the entire motor and trans, right?
Yes.
So we took a 2-hour trip, like I told you guys before, to go buy this motor and trans. We just kind of winged it. We didn't really, you know what I mean, know too much what was going on until we start swapping things over, and we're like, oh man, this don't have that, this don't have that. We found out that this is a 2006 rev up motor. I looked it up. I heard that these are the worst motors to have, but hopefully it works way better than the motor that I just took out of there. That motor was tapping, as you guys saw in the video, in the previous video, and it was just not it. So
did not sound nice.
no, not at all. What did it sound like to you?
It's like a rock was in there.
Like a rock just bouncing around, like somebody was playing ping pong with that joint.
change.
Yo, it was a pebble in my oil. The pool?
Oh, you want me to fill up the pool? I'll be right back.
My mechanic's gonna be right back, and we're gonna try to start this thing up. We're gonna see how it works out. Hey yo, this camera is so clear you can see all the sweat on my face. This is crazy. It's ridiculous. What about him?
Definitely see it.
Definitely see it. So we back. We about to try to start this puppy up. Hopefully this joint go right. Sound good, right?
Like a V8.
Like a V8. No. It gotta sound like a V6. Yo, if it sounds like it's a V8, something's wrong. All right, so first time trying to start it. There we go. Ooh. Yo, the oil pressure, John, is on 120. I ain't even do nothing.
Maybe the oil being so thick.
I don't know. It started. It sounded a little rough.
It is a little rough though.
Let the fluids run through and shit. It started up, y'all. It's definitely a little shaky, a little rough. It started right up. This is a problem. I'm gonna have to change the oil pressure sensor on here because that one must be bad on here. And the one on my other motor was good. It was brand new. I had just put it on there. I'm on Dorito break. All right, guys. So we ran into a little bit of a problem, just a little bit. So, what was it reading codes for again?
Knock sensor, bad. Yep.
Something is leaking.
No, that was the power steering fluid.
Oh, okay.
So it was the clamp wasn't on all the way.
Okay. All right, so got a little knock sensor problem. We about to try to figure that out real fast.
Take it off your old engine.
Taking it off my old engine because it was good. More than likely, we're gonna switch the transmission.
Probably. The whole thing.
Bye.